perfectly flat, this side. So I'm going to put this side here on the sander because it's got a bump in it up in this area. So I'm going to get this one flat like this side, and then we'll go and do the heel blocks. Okay, going to give it a try. Hmm. Well, let's see. Okay, now this is flat, and there's a little bump here. I put a straight edge across that earlier, and this is level with this, but apparently, I guess it's the pressure too. You should have two sides perfectly straight, flat to work with this. Now I got a divot in there. That's perfectly flat here. This one's flat, I can feel it. But now I got a little bump here. It's a tiny bit lower than the rest of it. I don't know if I can remedy that. Just bring it down. Excuse me. Bring it down till it comes even again. Put it up there like that. That'd probably work. Do it a little bit at a time. Wow, that's pretty good. Now we're getting flat again. Okay, now I got my garbage can here. I can sweep all this sanding dust. Well, let's see. Okay. Now we got two straight sides. This one here I'm going to use because this one's the most flat. This one's really smooth too, but there's still... I only need this one here for when I get to the router part. I'll use this one as a guide to route the middle channel for the truss rod, and then I'm going to put